Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 6 of chapter 5, Playing with Numbers. Let us solve some problems today. I have taken problem number 1 as 1 2a plus 6ab is equal to a09. We shall start with ones place, digits a plus b equal to 9. It cannot be 19 because sum of two single digit numbers cannot be 19. So there is no carry to tens place. Here a plus b, a and b both are variables. We don't know the value of a and b. So we check at tens place. At tens place we have 2 plus a is equal to 0. So 2 plus a should be 10. Therefore, the 1 of tens place of 10 that will be carried to hundreds place. Therefore, a is equal to 8. We shall again consider the situation at ones place. We got a plus b is equal to 9. Therefore, we have got 8 as the value of a. So 8 plus b is 9. Therefore, b is equal to 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1. Therefore, putting values of a and b in their places, we get 128 plus 681 is 809, which is true for all values. Let us check with question number 2. 2ab plus ab1 is b18. Let us consider from ones place. At ones place, b plus 1 is 8. Therefore, b will be equal to 7. If b is 7, 7 plus a should be equal to 11. It cannot be 1, as b is greater than 1. So at tens place, a plus b is 1. That means a plus 7 should be equal to 11 and 1 will be carried to hundreds place. Now 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 is carried to hundreds place. Therefore, a should have value 4. Now putting values of a and b in their places, 247 plus 471 is 718, which is true for all values. Now let us check with another example. 8a5 plus 94a. At units place, 5 plus a is 3. 5 is greater than 3, so 5 plus a should be 13. Therefore, a is equal to 13 minus 5, which is equal to 8. So we have got the value 8 for a and the value 1 will be carried to tens place. At tens place, the carry 1 plus the value of a 8 plus 4 is 13. Again, we have got a carry whose values will be carried forward to hundreds place. So at hundreds place, the carry 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 18. Therefore, putting value of a at its places, we get 885 plus 948 is equal to 1833, which is true for values of a. Now let us check with another example. AB3 plus 2B1 is equal to BAA. At ones place, we have 1 plus 3 is A. Therefore, A is equal to 4. Tens place, B plus B is A. Therefore, 2B is A. Therefore, 2B is equal to 4. Therefore, B is equal to 2. At 100 place, A plus 2 is equal to B. We have got A equal to 4, B equal to 2. Therefore, at hundreds place, 4 plus 2 should be equal to B, whose value is 2. But 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. A plus B is equal to 6. 6 is not equal to value of B, which is equal to 2. So we have to consider B plus B equal to A situation again. So again, if we consider B plus B, which is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, then at tens place, B plus B will have value 4 and 1 will be carried forward to hundreds place. Now at hundreds place, the carry 1 plus value of A plus 2 is equal to B. Therefore, 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. And we can see that 7 is equal to 7, which is true. I have collected some problems from different sources. So try to solve these problems. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me anytime. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.